World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to update your profile picture on YouTube in 2020. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, I was inspired to make this video off of my notifications. Now, you know, I get a lot of notifications on YouTube, but this one stood out to me. Now, let me scroll down, let me find it real quick for y'all. But this notification, this comment I got stood out to me. Now, right here, you see this comment right here. It's the screen mask or whatever, but it's moving. And when I saw this comment yesterday, I was like, I gotta figure out how to do that. And you know your boy YON WORLD, I'm an underground king, I'm a genius. I know how to do this. So I was like, I could figure that out. And on this video, this is about to be a full tutorial on how to change your YouTube profile picture. Not even if you wanna, even if you don't wanna change this profile picture, I'm gonna also show you how to change your profile picture the standard way. And I'm about to show you how to create a motion profile picture in 2020. Now, the thing I like about the motion picture, like this is my whole theory on it, is that I believe it will increase your click-through rate. Now, I clicked on this page, even though, you know, I don't know who he is, you know, I still clicked on the page just because it was in motion. Now, I went ahead and did this for my channel. You can see right now, I'm gonna pull up a video. You can see, like, even though my main profile picture right now is static, when you get a notification from me, whether I upload a video, whether I like a comment you post on my page, you know what I'm saying, whether I post a comment on your page, whenever you get a notification from YON WORLD, my picture will be moving, you know, and it shows on the mobile app and it shows on your laptop or on the desktop. So I'm about to show y'all exactly how to create this. Now, first thing first, you want to go to your main channel. When you want to change your profile picture on YouTube, you want to go to your main channel. Now, if you don't have access to a laptop or a desktop, you have to go to the web or the desktop version on your mobile phone. And there's different apps like the Dolphin app, which allows you to view the web from a desktop version on your mobile phone. And you will have to log into your YouTube account, go to your main profile, and click directly on your profile picture. Now, when you click directly on your profile picture, it'll bring you to Google About Me. Now, on here, this is where you would upload the picture. And once you upload the picture from here, Google does the rest of the work. It'll send it across YouTube. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for it to fully, you know, integrate and transfer in the notifications. Like even like previous notifications you have made, they'll begin to flash, you know, so you will be able to see it in about 30 minutes. Once you create the image, you just have to upload it right here. Or even if you were, you know, uploading a regular static profile picture and you just want to change your profile picture on YouTube, just go to your main channel, click on the profile picture, edit your profile picture. It'll say, you know, your profile picture comes from your Google account, takes a few minutes to change. Now you want to edit that, and then once you click that, it'll bring you to the Google About Me page, and you just upload the photo. Now, when you want to create a motion photo, you have to have a software, like some type of photo editing software. Me, I use Photoscape. That's how I create all of my album artwork. That's how I create all of my thumbnails on YouTube. I use Photoscape on the iMac. Now, you could use Photoshop, whatever photo editing software you have. I recommend making the image 800 by 800. You know, just make an 800 by 800 image. I like creating like white squares, you know, and then you could add, you know, different symbols, you know, to this white square. You could, you know, paint it, make it different colors, however you want to do it, you know. And once you have all of your images, you want to gather them in a folder. Now, I recommend doing 3 images. You know, you can have more, but I recommend getting 3 images, 3 different transitions, you know, and this will help you, you know, it'll move sweet, like it'll look better. in the notifications. It'll look good in the transitions I'm about to show you. Now, in order to create this image, you want to go to easygif.com. easygif.com. You see it right here in the left hand corner. But this is how you make the animated GIF. You know, you can, if you have a video, you can do this from a video. But on this video, this tutorial, we going over how to do this from photos. Now, you just want to go to GIF Maker, right? You want to go to GIF Maker, then you want to choose files. Then you see I already have my photo made, or my folder made, excuse me. I already have my folder made, and you want to just select the 3 photos. So right here, if you hold shift, once you select one photo, if you hold shift and select the last photo in the bunch, it'll select them all. So then you go to open after that. And then you upload and make a GIF. And again, this is easygif.com. All you gotta do is, you know, have a photo editing software. Like I got Photoscape right here. Have a photo editing software, right? You know, create 3 different images, or if it's images of you, you know, you can upload 3 different images and make one like, you know, different colors. You know, make it different colors so it flashes. Like make one white or red, you know, make it, switch it up, you know, so it gets people attention. That's why I added the street yantra. So I'm about to show y'all. So you upload that. Hold on, upload. So we selected our files, and again, once you create your files, put them all in one folder, so it makes it easier, you know, because you'll have to group them in. You know, this website, you have to group and upload at once. So, all right. So you see we got our 3 photos. You know, your boy YON WORLD, I like following the laws of Nikola Tesla. We do everything in 3, 6, or 9, man. So we got 3 photos. We're gonna select our delay time to 9, and we're gonna add cross frames effects, right? So we got that. We got the cross fade. We got, you know, the delay time at 9. We got our 3 photos, and then we just make the GIF. You see a little cat, you know, doing his job. Come on, man. We gotta make this money. Cat still taking his time, but you know, it produced. And right now it's just creating it. It's creating it right now. You know what I'm saying? It's working with it with the right wrist. You know what I'm saying? It's in the kitchen with the right wrist, and it's just creating. Now it's about to speed up. Ooh, it's done. It's done. Y'all see that? You see what happened when you work in harmony with the universe? Y'all see how smooth that transition is? Then just fade out. Then just fade out. Then just fade out. It looked like a signal, you know what I'm saying? Like a damn near Batman call, you know what I'm talking about? Like a motherfucking superhero or something, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this for the people. But yeah, I gotta get this simple in y'all brain. So every time you get a notification from me, every time, you know, I upload a video, you know, or leave a comment on this video. I'm liking every comment on this video just so y'all can see how this works. So make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave a comment on this video, man. Leave a like too, man. Run up them likes too. We need 100,000 likes on this video. So make sure you leave a comment. I'm liking every comment just so y'all can see how this feature works. Let me know if y'all have any questions though. But from here, like say if your image is too big, like, all right, look, we created the image, it's perfect. But say if your image too big, you can go down here and then you click resize. And then, like I said, you want to make it 800 by 800. Remember that, 800 by 800. This is the recommended size for your YouTube profile picture, a 800 width by 800 height photo on YouTube. Then you resize the image, and then the little cat, you know, little cat do his little diddy bop, his little dance, you know, his little 1-2, and then you know it gotta work in the kitchen for like 3 seconds, and it's bam. Y'all see that? Y'all see that perfect transition? Y'all see that? So from here, all you would do is right click, and then you save the image as, you know, once you save, you can save the image, you know, as whatever, you know, Yon World. You already know what time we on. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all, you know, gain a lot of information from this video. This was how to update your profile picture on YouTube in 2020. The full tutorial. This method will also help you increase your click-through rate, because whenever people get a notification from your channel, whether it's, you know, you uploading a video, you commenting on their channel, or you liking comments, you know, from your channel, whenever people get a notification, your profile picture will be moving, and this will ultimately increase your likability, your click-through rate, and your AdSense revenue. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment. I'm out. Peace.